Alright, this is Star 2023, Algebra 1, Part 6, 141 through 170 by Professor Alfredo Galvez Jr., 11-11-22. Anyway, solve the linear equation x plus 2 equals 8. How do you solve x plus 2 equals 8? What number makes that work? Well, anyway, but if you need money right now, Christmas, Thanksgiving, whatever, great boss, great food, great work, open 24 hours, Mom Margie's. They're hiring right now, give you lots and lots of this cash. If you work there, they'll be glad to give it to you. Anyway, let's take this out of here. We don't need this money right now. We need to do the Algebra 1 star. Alright, so now how do you solve this thing? Alright, so what you can do is x plus 2 equals 8. So I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. These are gone. So the answer is x equals 6. So does 6 work? You can check it on your graphing calculator if you want to. You can put it back here. Does 6 plus 2 give you 8? Check it. 6 plus 2 is 8. Yes, it does work. Okay? So you can check it that way if you want to. Alright, let's continue on part 6 here. Solve the linear equation, x minus 1 equals 3. So what I'm going to do is add 1, the opposite of this. So these cancels out. So now x equals what? 4. Does that work? 4 minus 1, is it going to give you 3? Yes, and you can check it with your calculator if you want. Okay, graphing calculator, of course. Alright, next one. 2x plus 1 equals 9. So first thing I'm going to do is subtract 1 from both sides. Minus 1 minus 1. So that leaves me 2x equals 8. Now in the next step, I'm going to divide by 2. Divide by 2. The 2's cancel here, so you have x only. 8 divided by 2 is a 4. Okay, next linear equation. I'm going to subtract 1. So these are gone. So you have negative 2x equals negative 8. Now I'm going to divide by negative 2. Divide by negative 2. So I'm going to have, these are gone. So you have x equals what? Positive 4. That's it. Leave it. You're done. Solve the linear equation. 2 parentheses x plus 4. So 2 times that is 2x. 2 times that is 8. Now I'm going to subtract 8. Subtract 8. These are gone. So 2x equals 2. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. So x must be what? 1. Another parenthesis. Let's do that first. Order operations. So 2 times that is 2x. 2 times 1 is 2. Now we're going to subtract 2. Subtract 2. These are gone. So 2x equals 0. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. So these are gone. So x 0 divided by 2 is still going to be what? 0. Variables on both sides. That's fine. Subtract 1. Subtract 1. Minus 1 minus 1. 4x equals 2x plus 8. So now I'm going to go minus 2x, minus 2x. These are gone. So that's going to be 2x equals 8. So now I need to divide both sides by what? Divide by 2. Divide by 2. So that means that x equals what? 4. This one. Subtract 1 from both sides. So we have 4x equals 2x. So now I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. So 4x minus 2x is 2x equals 0. Divide by 2, divide by 2. So x equals what? 0, the answer. Solve the linear equation. Subtract 1. We have 4x equals 4x plus 3. Minus 4x both sides. So we're going to have 0. It's not equal to 3. 0 is not equal to 3. Bad. No solution. Empty set. No matter what you try, nothing's going to work for this. Okay. Empty set. Solve the linear equation. So subtract 3. Subtract 3. So you have 4x with 4x. Minus 4x. What? So we have 0 equals 0. That means that all real numbers work. It's an identity. No matter what number you put in there, it works. That side equals the right side always. This one, parentheses stuff. So multiply this. This is 20. Negative 4x equals this. Minus 20 both sides. So now we have negative 4x equals negative 2x plus 20. And now we can get rid of the 2x. Add 2x. So we have negative 2x is 20. Divide by negative. So positive by negative is a negative. Solve the linear equation. Again, parentheses. Let's do that first. 2 times that. 2 times that. So we have 20 minus 4x minus 20. Minus 20. These are gone. So for negative 4x equals negative 2x. Add 2x to both sides. So this is going to be 0. Negative 2x equals 0. Divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. So 0 divided by negative 2 is still going to be what? 0. This one. Multiply it out. That's going to be 20. Negative 4x equals this. Minus 20, both sides. These are gone. And we have this. Negative 4x equals negative 4x plus 20. But when we add 4x, guess what happens? We have negative 4x plus 4x is 0. Oh, it's not equal to 20. Bad. No solution. Empty set again. Contradiction. Nothing works. Again, parentheses. Multiply parentheses out first. This one's this one's that. So we have 20 minus 4x equals this. Minus 20 minus 20. So you have negative 4x equals negative 4x. Add 4x, add 4x. Oh, we get 0 equals 0. That means all real numbers and identity. No matter what number you use, it works. This one. Parentheses on both sides. It's okay. Multiply this out. This times this. This times that. There it is. That times that. There it is. That times that is there. Put together, this number right here is going to be negative 1. This right here is going to be 7. So now you have 2x minus 1. So add 1. So you have 2x equals 4x plus 8. So now minus 4x. So you have negative 2x equals 8 divided by negative 2. Divided by negative 2. So x is what? Negative 4. This one. Multiply it out. Parentheses first. This times this. This times that. That times that's 2. And there. So now, minus 2, both sides, we have negative 4x equals negative 2x. Guess what happens? We're going to have negative 2x equals 0, divided by negative 2, divided by negative 2, and x is what? 0. Fractions, that's okay. LCD, we have 4, 1, 4, 1. Multiplied by LCD is 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. 4 divides 4, 1. 1 divides 4, 4. 4 divides 4, 1. 1 divides 4, 4. So they are. Multiply them out. That's going to be negative 3x, negative 28 equals negative 5x minus 4. Now we can do the same thing we've always done. Add 28, these are gone. Negative 3x equals negative 5x plus this. And add 5x, these are gone. So we have 2x equals 24, divided by 2, and the answer is what? 12. Oh, another fraction, that's okay. Multiply the LCD. The LCD again is 5, 5, 5, 5. Everything by 5. So 5 divides 5, 1. 1 divides 5. 5 divides 5, 1. 1 divides 5, 5. Multiply them out. 2x minus 25 equals negative 3x plus minus 50. Add 25. These are gone. 2x equals negative 3x minus 25. And then add minus 3x plus 3x. So we have 5x equals negative 25 divided by 5. Positive by negative is a negative. Oh, more fraction. That's okay. LCD is 3, 3, 3, 3. Multiply everything by 3. 3 times that, 3 times that, 3 times that. So 3 times 3, 3 cancels this, 1. 1 times 2. 3 cancels 3 once. 3 cancels 3 once. So now we have 2 parentheses. 10 minus that 2x. That's going to be 20 minus 4x. And this give me negative 2x plus 20. Minus 20 both sides. So we have negative 4x equals negative 2x. Add 2x. So negative 2x equals 0. Divide by negative 2. Divide by negative 2. And 0 by negative 2 is 0. We're done with that guy. More fractions. That's okay. LCD is 3, 3, 9, 3. So it's 9. So multiply everything by 9, 9, 9, 9. So 3 divides 9, 3. 3 divides 9, 3. 9 divides 9, 1. 3 divides 3, 9, 3 times. So now we have 60 minus 12x. Minus 6x plus 60. Minus 60 both sides. Negative 12x and negative 6x. Add 6x to both sides. So this is going to be negative 6x equals 0. Divide by negative 6. Divide by negative 6. So x is what? 0. Decimal, guys. That's okay. So 4 times x is 4x. 4 times that is 222. And that's going to be 5x minus 100. Subtract 222. Subtract 222. 4x equals 5x minus 322. So now that's going to be negative 1x equals negative 322. Divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1, so x equals 322. 322. More decimals, that's okay. Minus 1, both sides. So what's going to happen? We're going to have 0.65x equals 0.60x plus this. Subtract 0.60x, these are gone. So 0.05x equals 200. Divided by 0.05, divided by 0.05. These are gone. So x must be what? 4,000. Solve the linear equality. 2x plus 1 is less than 9. Minus 1 minus 1, so 2x is less than 8. Divide by 2, since you divide by a positive, inequality stays the same direction, doesn't change. So divide this by 2, so x is less than 4, this way. Or less than 4, not including the 4, this way. Or 4 to negative infinity. Or open circle to the left, right there, from 4. Solve the linear equality. So minus 1, both sides. So you have negative 2x less than 4. Divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. So negative by negative is gone, this is gone. So positive by negative is negative. But since you divide by a negative, you need to turn the inequality sign around. Or the alligator, whatever you want to call it. So in this way, now it goes this direction. So x is greater than negative 2. Or negative 2 this way, don't include it. Or negative 2 infinity, don't include it. Or open circle this way, don't include it. Solve the linear equality. This first thing, going to go minus 1, both sides. So now I have 4x less than or equal to 2x plus 8. Minus 2x. So we have 2x less than or equal to 8. Divide by positive 2, divide by 2, and inequality stays exactly like it was. So x is less than or equal to 4, including the 4. Including the 4. Including the 4 this way. Or shaded in there. So this shaded in going this way. From 4 this way. Okay. Solve the linear equality again. First thing I'm going to do is minus 2, both sides. 4x is less than or equal to 6x plus 6. Minus 6x, so minus 2x is less than or equal to that. Divide by negative 2, and divide by negative. Turn the alligator around, the inequality around. Turn it. So x is greater or equal to what? Negative 3. Positive by negative is negative, including the negative 3. Include the negative 3, include the negative 3, include the negative 3, and include the negative 3. Shade it in there and go that way. Okay? Alright. Graph the linear function. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just get some points for it. That's the easiest way. Easiest way to get some points. So I put negative 10 in there. So put in f of negative 10 is going to be negative to negative is positive. That's going to be 300. And I put a positive 10 in there. F of 10, 2 times that's going to be negative 20. 280 minus 20 is 260. So I have a negative 10. It goes up to 300. And at positive 10, it goes up to 260. So it's decreasing like this. That's a linear function. Graph the linear function. Again, I'm just going to get some points. 2 points. That's enough for a linear function. 2 points. So I'll put 0 in there. Put 0. 0 minus 2 is negative 2. And negative times positive is a negative 8. So at 0, negative 8. So now the other part, put a 2 in there. 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 times that is 0. So f of 2 is 0. So we have 0, negative 8, and 2 and 0. So 0, negative 8 means go 0, negative 8. And then 2 and 0 starts right there. And then connect the lines right there. Okay, or you can use a graphing calculator if you want to, of course. Always. Alright, this one. Graph the linear function. So again, I'm going to put a number, negative 1, try that in there. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0. 0 times that is 0. Plus 4 is 4. So now put a 1 in there. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 times negative 2 is multiplication or addition. Multiplication first, order operations. So that's going to give me what? Negative 4 plus 4 is going to give you what? 0. Or you can use a graphing calculator like this if you want to. So negative 1 out 4. And 1 and 0 right here. And then connect the lines right there. Okay. Alright. Graph the linear function. I'll put some numbers again. Put a 0 in there. 0 in there. So 0 times that is 0. Plus 3 is still going to be what? 3. So when I put the 0 in there, I get a 3. So now, the next step is to put in 4. So 4. But look, 4 divides 4. Yes, it does. Remember those? 4 divides 4, 1. So now we have multiplication, addition, multiplications first. So that's going to be negative 3 plus 3 is going to be 0. So we got 2 points. We have 0 up 3 spaces. And we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And right there. Connect the dots. Right? Or use your graphing calculator. Put it in like this in your graphing calculator. Okay? Exactly like that. And it'll come out. Okay? Whoop. That's it, I guess, for part 6. So after you do all that, part 6, Algebra 1, star 2023. Go celebrate Mustang Island. Here you come. Out there, have fun. On your surfboard. Or you got a lot of money. Hawaii. You worked in Mount Margie's. Or Math Monsters don't scare you anymore because you studied the Algebra 1 star 2023 part 6, huh? Or these guys, nah, they're not scary. The Algebra 1 star used to be more scary than these 7 guys. About this, all these numbers, nah, numbers don't scare you. You have a calculator. You know how to do math. How about this crunchy guy? Is he scary? Algebra 1 used to be more scary. Now maybe this guy is now, huh? Maybe. Or maybe not. Or 2 more of these guys? Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, this is Professor Alfredo Alvarez Jr. Good luck in your star 2023 Algebra 1, part 6 here. 141 through 170. Anyway, good luck. Good luck. This is Professor Alfredo Alvarez Jr. And I'm saying again, Professor Alfredo Alvarez Jr. Good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck. Bye.